There are many toxins that we are naturally exposed to on a daily basis. If we live right, we can minimize the issues associated with this exposure. One of the primary toxins to look out for is BPA, or bisphenol A. BPA is present in a large number of plastic products and belongs to a group of chemicals known as endocrine disruptors. Endocrine disruptors can affect both sexes very differently. For example, there is a strong association between increased BPA exposure and reduced testosterone levels in men, but the opposite appears to be true for women. By making the effort to control and restrict your body's exposure to these 7 factors over 3 weeks, you put your body well on the road to rebalancing and restoring natural hormone levels, to those associated with a time before our diets were affected so poorly. Over 3 weeks, your metabolism should increase. You should have a healthier thyroid, and you will be more aware of estrogen-disrupting chemicals and what you can do to avoid them. The short-term goal of this diet is to get you more in tune with your body as your diet becomes more natural. After 3 weeks, you can eat and drink more conscientiously and work through moderation and consideration for your body in order to maintain a healthier life. If you found this video informative, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos, and please click the link below in the description to learn more about hormone replacement therapy.